Good morning, ladies and gentlemen in The Hague, the Netherlands. My name is Mayke Huijbregts. I'm the Chief Child Protection for UNICEF in Mozambique. And it's my great pleasure to be with you this morning to share our story on social protection together with the Mozambican government and the Dutch government. I've worked in 5 different countries over the last 12 years now, and I'm specialized in child protection and in social protection.
Hello, Mayke. So, how has Dutch development aid contributed to social protection in Mozambique, and what was UNICEF's role therein?
So, the Mozambican government has been committed since 1990 to social cash transfers to ultra-poor and labor-constrained households. And since 2006, the Dutch government started to provide technical assistance to the Institute of Social Action, and they developed a core group of partners with the International Labour Organization, UNICEF, and the British government through DFID in support of government in terms of policy development, law development, as well as the design of improved social protection programs. So in 2008, this partnership consolidated a bit further, with the Dutch providing €1.3 million on budget to the government for social cash transfers to ultra-poor and labor-constrained households. And this collaboration with the Dutch government, DFID, UNICEF and ILO has since then consolidated and improved and expanded. So the Dutch government funding has contributed gradually to reaching 226,000 beneficiary households with a monthly cash transfer of around $8 a month. And these, you can imagine, are grandmothers with orphans who are ultra poor without the capacity to work, and this money allows them to feed their children, to wash them with soap, and to send them to school. So this investment is a vital contribution towards the poorest population of society. Then this commitment from the Dutch has pulled commitment from other partners that are slowly but surely also coming on board, like the Swedish government, the Irish government, the World Bank is coming now on board, and the EU is considering contribution as well. So the role UNICEF has played is that we are seen as the technical advisor to government. So what the Dutch government put as direct funding on the government budget and government account, we make it work. Which means that we help provide the advice and the expertise to build the government systems in terms of targeting the beneficiaries, the administration of the beneficiaries, the information management from how many beneficiaries are in this district, how much did they receive this month, and how are they improving gradually from this money. So UNICEF, together with ILO and the World Food Programme, have been seen as the core technical advisor to government to help them put in better systems to make sure that the money reaches the beneficiaries in a reliable and a timely manner. So this collaboration has been very pleasant. The Dutch government directly funding the Mozambican government on budget to reach more beneficiaries through a cash transfer program. The UN receiving funds from the Dutch National Committee from UNICEF to make the money of the Dutch government work through provision of technical expertise to the government to strengthen its systems to deliver these programs in a quality manner.
Thank you. So what is unique about this program?
What is unique about it, it has been the oldest and the largest program in Africa. And in Mozambique, the partners have aligned very well behind government national programs. Didn't start from a pilot, it became a national program overnight. So the scale and the magnitude of the program is unique. The alignment from development partners like the Dutch government and the UN behind the government program, and the commitment from government to scale up these programs with our capacity building.
Which impact would you say that this have had on the lives of the beneficiaries?
So what you can see is that the grandmothers are smiling, although they are overburdened, overstretched with the plight of care for children in their care, for their lost children, or to take care of children in their care without an income. Such a cash input into a household empowers the head of household, the grandmother, to take care of her orphan boys and feed them with from 1 meal to 3 meals a day, send them to school, get them a birth certificate, and to feel better in their plight that they got in order to take care of these children well.
Which difference has the Dutch funding made, and would you say that there are any lessons for other countries?
But the Dutch funding, what was beautiful about it is that they made a long-term commitment on budget. So they provided the trust to the government, they invested through a government system, and they provided a long-term commitment. So the 2008 contribution was for 4 years, and they have renewed that 4-year commitment, which is important because then you empower government to develop national sustainable programs. So the uniqueness, and the difference has been that already more than 260,000 households are on these programs, which is quite a significant number for a sub-Saharan African country. Then what other countries can learn is really for partners to work in alignment to government programs, in respect of a government system, bettering these systems together, but work close in partnership and harmony to support the government to reach its goal of providing social assistance to the poorest and most marginalized populations. So I think the government ownership, alignment, coordination, harmonization is definitely a social protection floor that can proudly be taken to other countries to learn from.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the opportunity to be with you this morning, and we are always available to provide more information.